Once upon a time, in a cheerful neighborhood filled with laughter and adventure, there lived a little boy named Tommy and his best friend Sally. Tommy was a curious boy with wide, bright eyes, and Sally was a clever girl with a giggling smile that could light up the sunniest day. Every afternoon, after school, Tommy and Sally would dash to their secret spot in Sally's backyard. With an old stethoscope Tommy found in a garage sale, and a toy doctor's kit Sally got for her birthday, the two friends invented their favorite game, Doctor and Patient. Tommy, in his imaginary doctor coat, would examine Sally, listening to her heart, thump thump, and make scribbly notes on a clipboard made of colorful paper. Sally, always the giggling patient, would describe the silliest symptoms, like sneezing rainbows or hiccuping bubbles, much to their shared delight. Years passed by like the pages of their beloved storybooks, and as they grew taller, their games grew more sophisticated. Tommy discovered his love for science. His room overflowed with books on biology, while Sally fell in love with helping others, volunteering at the local animal shelter. Soon, childhood adventures turned into real-life dreams. Tommy went to medical school, his stethoscope now real, no longer made of plastic. Sally joined him, her heart set on pediatrics, forever inspired by their playful days caring for toys and each other. They studied together, laughed at their shared old stories, and supported each other through thick and thin. Finally, the day came when they both became doctors, fulfilling the dreams they once dreamed beneath the old oak tree in Sally's backyard. They opened up their own clinic, a bright and welcoming place where laughter was as much a part of healing as medicine. Children loved coming to see Dr. Tommy and Dr. Sally, who understood how to turn checkups into adventures. Tommy and Sally's friendship remained as strong as ever, enriched by shared memories and their love for helping others. And whenever they listened to each other's heartbeat, thump thump, or heard the giggling of little patients, they remembered their own playful beginnings.